All I know was a bunch of sparks flew, and hi, and welcome back. This evening, probably gonna keep it short again, but I did say we're gonna work on a truck, so we're gonna try to mount this under the truck. Trying to just jump it across there, see if we can get the engine to turn over. I think these bolts will work. Like I said, they seem to be pretty close. I'm only gonna do it with one battery today, because I'm gonna take the hard lines loose again and the injectors, probably take them out, so it'll be easier for the engine turnover. And I was listening to see if it hear any kind of grinding or anything like that before I put some diesel with it and actually fire it up. But if not, we'll have to pull a battery out of the vehicle and double them up. But so I got these for on my receipts. I ain't gonna cut this just yet. I think we can find a place to mount it. The engine has a solid motor mounts, so find a bolt or a place on the frame. This should work. And we got the other one to go to the battery. But anyways, let's head over there and we'll start pulling stuff apart and hopefully mounting this up. Probably hear my kids in the background, but we're pulling these off again. And this side over here didn't have a light plugged in. Oh, there it is. We'll be getting down here and trying to put that starter right there. Gonna run some battery cables out here. We'll find a spot on the frame to mount that ground to. I'll mount it right there. But hopefully we can get the engine just to turn over without any kind of bad noises. And if we can, then I'll hook everything back up, put the hoses back on, get a little bit of fuel line, run it to my diesel jug. We'll try to start it up here pretty soon. anticlimactic. Did get a lot of spark. Didn't engage, so correct me if I'm wrong, but I tried to jump from this to that. Now, I thought that's what it was, but I could be 100% wrong. If you have any idea, let me know. I'm gonna leave this hooked up. It seems to be pretty sturdy. And hopefully I didn't strip these bolts. I don't think I did, but yeah, I couldn't get it to turn over. I don't know. I didn't hear it engage as a thing. So I'll have to look into that a little bit more. I hope I can get this better. One from where the red wire hooks up to this nub. All I know was a bunch of sparks flew, and don't like how that's looking right there. Kind of looked like it melted a little bit. Kind of see what it did. Kind of made that right there. That's why I stopped, because I didn't want to ruin this thing before I even get a chance to use it. Well, that was disappointing. I'll hold off on that until I get my dad here, have him look at it. He's a mechanic, so he should know. If you don't know, I know just enough to be dangerous. Next time, we may jump back on the Bronco, get more of that sanded down. But anyways, hopefully I didn't ruin my starter. And see you next time.